Good day everyone, welcome back. Today model for this cover Linkway can be seen in Singapore everywhere and published using daily basics. I now talk about the particulars, AutoCAD and history. Let's talk about for modeling. Without further ado, let's start with Autodesk Revit. First, need to open project template and create for the new project and link AutoCAD file using manage link. Search for the AutoCAD file for the reference, select origin to origin, then OK, link to the Revit file. Next step, need to copy the grid line from the AutoCAD using architecture, grid, GR for grid, and using select tool and select all grid line from the AutoCAD file. Now have copied the grid lines from the AutoCAD to Revit in the whole project. First, need to create for footing family. The footing family include length, width, and with offset. Let's create for the changeable parameters parametric footing family. Create new family using general model structural foundation template. Open. Now in reference level, require some reference plane. So create reference plane, some, and we'll need dimension. DI for dimension to create parameters. And select this parameter for the depth, and this will be depth offset. This dimension normally 300 mm. This will be for the eccentric footing, and this will be with offset. Sometimes the footing has eccentric shape, so create WOS parameter and create for the extrusion using rectangular tool from here to here and locate all. And go to right elevation, require some reference plane, RP for reference plane and DI for dimension. This dimension will be foundation thickness. This will be filler. Sometimes we need to adjust in between floor and footing. And select extrusion, drag it here, and lock it all. And go to 3D, select the components, create a materials. Duplicate this access and add it to grade 40 concrete. And go to family type, create some family type. First 900, 1001 and 400 thickness. Input respective value in the type parameter, then OK. And create another family type. This time will be for the eccentric. Everything will be same. Offset will be 250. And create another family type. This time will be bigger size, 1001, 1100, 1300, and thickness will be 450. And then it import respective value in the family type. Then OK, applying it OK, and see the family. The name will be LLW footings, and load into the project. 14 families required to place on the project grid line or intersection points using all grid line tool by window selection to cover all grid lines from here to here. Reload the Linkway file and select the 14 families to orientate every single 14 families in the project, pressing spacebar to orientate. This time we'll create for the column family. Using general model face family template and changeable parameter for the parametric family. Let's create for the new family using general model face family template. Now in the reference level, go to right elevation, require some reference plane, RP for reference plane. And require dimension, DI for dimension. And select this dimension for the create parameters, 25 mm, and this will be height parameter, and this will be base plate thickness parameter, and the last will be filler to adjust in between columns and footings. To create a column model, using Sweep tool, sketch path from here to here on the column center, and edit profile. Go to 3D, using rectangular tool to create, and MB for move for the profile center, DI for dimension for the parametric parameters. And select this will be depth, this will be breadth, and require fillet 12 mm for the 4 corners, and offset for the hollow shape components. Then okay. Now we have columns, and creates another type of the column, 75 by 150, and another column 200 by 150, and another one 75 by 75, another one 150 by 150. Select the component, create new materials parameter as porosity, and okay. Go to family type, create a few column family types. The column family will need both family. Create that both family, open it, open both family, and adjust the parameter and load into the project. Actually not to the project, to the column family. Load. The post is face family, so place on the face of the column and adjust the position. Create a few type of column using control by visibility graphic, and have it as for the visibility control. For the this type, 75 by 75 square, 200 by 150. Have it as for the family types, and save the family, then load into the project. Now the column family is in the project created by face family template. I can place on the any face. So The column family placed on the all intersection grid line markers. Place on the face. The column family to place on the all grid lines as required in the project. In addition, we'll need nested base plate family. Open it, and that's for the parameter 75 by 150, 75 by 75, and 200 by 75. And load into the project. Face base family also place on the face of the grid lines. Place it all underneath the all columns. In the project, the columns base plates are in place, time to create for the rafter family. The family will create using general model adaptive family. 1 point placed on the face, and above number 2 will be rafter height, 3 will be horizontal front, and 4 will be horizontal back, controlled by slope angle A, and height of the back and height of the front will use formula for the trigonometry. The family will be front for, back for 3-degree slope. Then create a solid form with the profile section and triangle portion at the back and triangle portion at the front using void to cut off from the solid. Create new family using a general model adaptive family template. Place a point here and select this, make adapted, and need to place another point on the working plane. Set working plane at the horizontal plane, place here, and create parameter for the filler, and another point to place on the horizontal plane. Set, place here, select, and create another parameter for the height, and need another point. Set on the working plane, vertical plane, and place a point and drag it. Create parameter for the front F, and need another point. Place on the face at the vertical plane. Place, select this, and drag. This will be negative value minus 700, negative 700, and set and create new parameter for the back. Go to parameter type, create a new parameter for the back B, and using formula negative B opposite, and we need another angle parameter, call it A, create it, set value for 15 degrees, then OK. Need to place a sum point. Set working plane at the vertical plane, place on the point and drag it down. Create a new parameter, name it HBack, HB, and we need for the front. Set working plane at the vertical plane, place a point, drag it up, and create new parameter, call it HF, and OK. And these 2 points need to connect with the supplying 2 points. Make a reference line. This reference line always need to cross at the rafter head point. Create some dimension. This will be height parameter, and here will be front and back. Go to family type, control by using formula. Simple triangulation formula, multiply by tangent angle A. Okay. Need to place 2 points. place on the face, and select this using segment length 92 mm and create new parameter AF92. Okay, measure from there this side, and then select this, measure from there the other side. So shift the direction and associate with this AF92, and select these 2 points and connect with the supplying 2 point, make reference line, and require another 1 more point on the face. Place it, set working plane, particle plane, and sketch a profile. 75 by 150, 90 by 150, and before move to the center of the profile, and require fillet 7 mm 12 mm fillet at the 2 corner, and offset 7 mm thickness, and this not require. Delete SL for slip element, TR for trim to make close profile, and make it reference line. This reference line, profile and part together, select, make a solid form, and create, and select this, create new materials parameter, call it porosity HRS, and select the solid form HH for temporary height element, and require another point. So connect this horizontal 2 point, select with supplying 2 point, make reference line, place a point on the center of the column and drag it down, create a parameter for 2 more points of rafter soffit. Select these 2 points, connect with supplying 2 point, make reference line, and we'll need another point, place on the face, select the working plane to the particle plane, and place another point on the point, and drag it to the outside, and select the reference point, measuring direction change, normalize cut parameter, import 0, and repeat for another one. Place a point on the face and select working plane for the particle, and place a point and drag it behind. And select the reference point, normalize cut parameter value to 0. Go to right elevation, create a new parameter. This point will be CB. Another one, create new parameter CF. These 2 parameter controlled by formula. Go to family type, minus select the solid geometry, HH for the temporary height. These 2 connect with supplying 2 point, make reference line. These 2 also connect, make reference line. These 2 also connect, supplying 2 point, make reference line for the triangle reference line. And also in front, this point and this connect with supplying 2 point, make reference line, and also these 2 connect, supplying 2 point, make reference line, and this particular 2 connect with supplying 2 point, make reference line, and HR for solid geometry back. Select triangle reference line, create void form, and import void width, and also select this triangle reference line, create white form, import 200 by 200 width, then already cut from the solid geometry. Now having rafter R1 habitats, go to family type, import some values and check for the parametric family parameters. Now complete for rafter R1 creation. See the family, name as rafter R1 and save. Then load into the project. Now rafter R1 family in the project. Time to place rafter on the column head. Display family, select one and SC for select all, H shape for temporary height for easy snapping. Go to architecture, component, shortcut is CM. Look for the rafter R1 family, place on the grid line marker. Place all for the whole project. Continue placing rafter R1 family on the grid line markers, every each and footing and columns in the whole project. Next, need to edit for rafter on the rest area. WT for multiple window, and here grid line number 50 and 60. We need to edit rafter type R1 for the rest area. And also grid line number 37 and 38 need to replace with rest area rafter. Right, now complete all rafter placing on the columns. Thank you for being with OOU. See you in next creation. Thank you. Bye.